Say goodbye to dry, rough hands with this super easy DIYs. Start with 2 tablespoons of sugar. White or brown, it's your choice. It gently exfoliates dead skin cell. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. It deeply nourishes and softens your skin. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice. It helps brighten and even out the skin tone. It's totally optional. Add few drops of your favorite essential oil. And mix it all together until it forms a grainy paste. Massage onto your hands in gentle circular motions for about 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water and just feel the softness. To make moisturizer for hands, take 2 tablespoons of shea butter and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and melt them. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Add 10 drops of your favorite essential oil and a few drops of vitamin E for extra nourishment. Chill the mix for 10 minutes, then whip until creamy. Store it in a clean jar and it's ready. Apply a thick layer of pure aloe vera gel and wear soft cotton gloves overnight to lock in moisture.